What up, guys? All right, so I'm back at this mountain range. See, but this time I'm not gonna go on the trail over here. I'm gonna try to find a way up to get up to that part right there. Maybe explore around over there. I don't know. We'll see. So let's get up there. It's a pretty beautiful day. Feels good. It's not too bright. It's not super hot. It's not crazy windy. So those are all good things. I'll talk to you guys again when I get more up here. What's up, guys? I made it to the top of this like little hill. Made it to the basin of the mountain. Look at that. And there's this view. It gets better than that. Trust me. I just need to find a way up here now. It looks really crazy, you know? A very rigorous, physical fucking thing to do, you know? Let's do it. The great outdoors! So I made it right here. Still got a little ways to go. Probably about like a football field and a half, maybe like 2 football fields. Oh man. Well, it's definitely not the easiest, but let's keep going. I'll talk to you guys when I get more up the mountain. This is pretty crazy. Look at this. It's like almost a 90-degree angle. Told you. Not the easiest. Look at this. This is the view from just right here. And it gets better than this. Up there. Yeah, this is pretty treacherous terrain. Yeah, look at this. It's like a 90-degree angle and just like loose rocks and stuff. There's probably loose boulders up here. I'm gonna fall off the mountain again. And that sucks when you fall off a mountain. What up, guys? Whoa! Whoa! See that? I almost fell off the mountain. So you gotta always be safe. Watch your footing. Yeah, pretty dope. Like I said before, I love this, you know? I love living on the edge. You know, I didn't go to the military, so I just do crazy things like this now, you know? Dude, this is crazy. Look at this. It's like a 90-degree angle. Honestly, I don't even know how I'm gonna get down. Like, it looks pretty sketchy. Still gotta keep going up there. Look at this. First obstacle. It's just like this big old rock, but I gotta get around it or over it. I mean, it kind of looks like just steps I could take, so let's try it. See how this goes. Hopefully I don't fall off the mountain. See rocks like this, like, you gotta be careful, you know. You don't want to, it's like, you gotta be like a ninja, like when you're climbing and stuff and you're grabbing rocks. You gotta like try not to put all your weight when you're grabbing things and stuff, you know. It's like you're testing it out too. You know, you want to, you know, be in tune with the mountain. Like, you know, you'll feel that slight movement when it starts to slide. That's the thing, you got to get out of there. Not a good place, you know. That's what happened to me last time. Well, not last time, but a few years ago. And that's when I took my big fall and I fell off the mountain. And yeah, not fun. So always be safe, you know. Pay attention. Watch your footing. Pay attention to what you're grabbing. You know, watch out for loose rocks. You got to be safe up here, you know. this is dangerous. Like, it looks like fun and games, but if I slipped and fell, like, I'll probably die, you know? So be careful up here. Don't do what I do. Whew. Not over that right there. Yeah, how am I going to get back down? I might be trapped up here forever. I'll survive. All right, gotta get right there. That's the next checkpoint. All right, so made it to the checkpoint, but we have a problem. Now here's a major obstacle. I gotta get over this. I gotta find a route to get up and over without falling off and dying. Challenge accepted. I think maybe like over there, this might be like one of the easiest routes. But like going up in here is a lot easier than going over this or going over that. I'll talk to you guys when I get up and over this. Hopefully we speak again. What up, guys? So yeah, I pretty much made it over this big old rock. As you can see, I'm chilling right here in this like ravine, you know, it's keeping me safe. It's nice and cozy in here, you know. I just feel really safe right here. I don't want to leave because the rest of the mountain looks really crazy. But yeah, this is pretty dope. I mean, how many people get to chill in a little ravine basically halfway up a mountain every day? I don't do it every day, but every Sunday, you know? Because if you do, you need to hit me up, all right? Ah, the great outdoors! I'm the king on this mountain. I just waved to a little kid. He's like, seen up there, you know, I'm like his superstar. He's like, who's that guy? All the way up there. He probably thinks I'm a superhero or something. You know what? You keep on keeping on, kid. You're gonna do great things in this life. This is like my safety over here, you know? How the hell am I gonna get down? That's the question. But see, I don't have to worry about that until I get to the top. So let's keep moving. I made it, guys. Turns out that little ravine was kind of the last obstacle. Now I'm at the top. Pretty easy. Look at this. Let me give you guys a better view. Whoa. There's like a plane right there. Look at him. Whoa. Is he gonna crash? Is he gonna crash? No, he's not gonna crash. Pretty cool though. Looks like he made that in his backyard. Let me give you the 360. Yeah! Yeah, I did it! Yeah! Woo! The hike wasn't even that hard, you know, like it got really intense for like, you know, probably about 50 yards, but after that 50 yards, you know, you're scot-free. It's pretty easy. Like I'm already at the top, so that was nothing. It's easy work, you know. Look at this. Ah, fresh air. Yeah. Man, I'm just so amped to be up here, you know. Pretty cool. I'm gonna go explore around a little. Look, if you look over there, I think it's like right over here. That's the nipple of Vegas. That's the mountain I climbed last time. Whoa. Look at this. This is a beautiful view. So just what I live for, guys, you know, all that hard work to get up here, and then it's just, you get rewarded this beautiful view, you know, beautiful air, you know, it's like nature at its fullest. Just always be careful, you know, don't let your guard down. Be safe on the mountain. Cool. Look at this, guys. I'm gonna do some crazy stuff. Whoa. I was this close to flying off the mountain, but I didn't. Don't be like me. Whoa. Whoa! That was a close one. Oh, look, here's another one, guys. Whoa! Another close one. All it takes is one wrong step and fall to your death. I think I found my way down, actually on the other side of the mountain. I guess this is like the really easy route that I could have took up here, you know? In a way though, I feel like taking the crazy hard way I took up, taking that down. Just because that's what I do, I'm a crazy guy. Let's keep exploring up here. You guys see that view? Pretty nice, pretty nice. Dude, I just want to keep walking, like explore, go hella far, but you know, I do have work today, so I got to get off the mountain, but this looks really cool. For reals. There's the biplane guy, whatever it is. Over there, you see him? Just flying over the city. Probably dropping chemicals all over everyone, trying to kill people. I don't know. Who knows? In this day and age, you never know. You see crazy things up here. Alright guys, I'll talk to you on the way down. Alright guys, so I had some fun climbing on these walls. Whoa, almost fell. Climbing all along these walls here, this whole like little cliff thing. It goes, it wraps around like the whole peak kind of. Had fun, now we gotta go down. But found a really easy route. Over there looked really crazy. I was like, how am I gonna get down that? But I mean, I want to go down that because it's so crazy, but screw it. I got to get home, so I'm going to go down the easy way. Pretty cool. Bye-bye, mountain. See you next time, buddy. You keep on keeping on. But, I mean, if you wanted to, you could just come up this way, and this is like a super easy way. You know, but the way I came up, it was just, you know, hard for like 50 yards, but it's pretty easy. This looks like it might end up getting crazy at the end. It's probably just easy right here. I don't know. We'll find out. It looks like there might be a little cliff right there. Maybe something along here. Like, we'll find out. There's the nipple of Vegas right there. Got to the top of that one too. For reals. Look up the video. It's on my channel. I did it in real life, just like I got to the top of this one. So whoa. All right, so we're gonna head towards this little edge right here. I want to see what's down there. I think it is a cliff. It's probably a way easier route to go down over here, but as always, let's take the crazy route. Yeah, it's actually just this little piece. Like, I could just go around it. This looks an easier route. Let's take the harder route. looks fun to climb too. Look at that. Nice. Talk to you guys when I get down. What up, guys? Made it to the bottom, but this looks really fun, so let's hit this. Made it. That was sketchy. Woo! What up, guys? That was a pretty intense little climb right there. It really gave me an adrenaline rush, dude. I thought I was gonna fall off. Because at the very top, there was this like pointy rock that's sticking out. So like that little rock was just causing issues for me. And then it's like when you're climbing, you really can't go back down sometimes. Like, you gotta keep going up. So like that's when your blood starts pumping, you know, and you start feeling the rush. Like I had the jitters, dude, when I got off and I walked down to gather my things. I had the jitters, but you know, that's what I live for, that adrenaline rush, you know. Made it to the bottom, guys. Oh yeah, that was a pretty cool mountain. Got off that boy, that big boy right there. I just gotta get back to my car. Talk to you when I get there. What's up, guys? Made it off the mountain in the car. Thanks for watching, and yeah, we'll do it again next time. That was really fun. Can't wait.
I've been through a lot of pain. I've been through a lot of pain. Some people feel the same. I don't